Welcome to Pasta E FAZOOOOOOL. My name is Andy, and today I have for you guys a real simple, delicious, and so good dish you're gonna love. This dish, by the way, comes from my town. Actually, it comes from the whole region. It's called Pollo di Campania. So I think you're just gonna love this. Just stick around because you're gonna love this. Okay, welcome back. Let me show you what we have today. Today we have, this is the ingredients. We have some chicken, some fresh, beautiful chicken. We're just going to use a few drumsticks and some thighs. We'll use thighs because these are the juiciest part of the chicken. I think the breast is kind of dry for this dish, you know. So I'm going to use these. You're going to love this. Red pepper, some beautiful tomatoes with the vine, mushroom, rosemary, some garlic, flour, salt, and pepper. So, first thing we start is a little bit of olive oil inside the pot. Extra virgin olive oil, of course. Mix it up a little bit. And what you want to do for this dish, when I get the chicken, you want to beat it up a little bit, you know? You want to hit it where the bone is. You want to beat it up and get this bone moving inside because you don't want that bone in there, right? So the same thing with the drumsticks. Beat it up a little bit. Okay. Then just cut the side over here of the drumstick. I'm going to cut these little. Okay. You just get that bone and just twist it a little bit on the inside. Just go like this. See? Like this. I'll twist it a little bit. So you know, when you do this, okay, the whole bone is going to come out nice and clean, see? Okay. Right, same thing with the thigh. The thigh, you just cut the side over here. Alright. Clean the bone a little bit. Of course, I'm going to do the same thing with the other ones. Once you got the bone out, you got the leg. Just open it up a little bit, kind of butterfly it a little bit like this. That's nice and open. Okay, same thing with this one over here. Open it up a little bit. And you can hit it with the hammer a little bit, make it a little flat, you know? Same thing with the chicken. Oh, boy, it's getting really hot, so I'll put it off a little bit. First thing you do is, see the part of the skin? This is the part you like, okay? The reason why you want to put that skin there is because you put in the flour, okay? Just a little bit, slightly, a little bit, not that much, see? Just a little bit, right? You put it right inside that oil, that fresh oil, okay? You want that oil to start crisping up that skin, so that's going to help to make it nice and brown. We get a nice color, and you're going to get that nice crisp skin that you're looking for. 2 pieces of pepper, red pepper. Okay, put it right on top. Show you, see, look at this. Put it right on top. Not too many pieces. Okay, that's done with. 3 mushrooms. Mushroom. Okay. And you're always going to watch that chicken. Make sure see the chicken that's getting nice and brown. See that? See the chicken? That's getting nice and brown. Give it a few. I'll give it another minute. Look at this. Look how nice and brown it's getting. That flour just helps it become really nice. Do it. Flip it over. Look at that. Look how nice and brown, crispy. Then throw these mushrooms right in. These mushrooms, okay. Piece of garlic. Now, I don't want you to open up, peel off the garlic. Just cut it right through the middle, like this. Okay. And just put it right on top. Because later on, we're just going to remove that. Some rosemary right on top. Okay. The tomato, you're going to cut it to such. Okay. Roughly cut. Doesn't have to be that small. Okay. And this, by the way, okay? Don't throw this away. This is what gives it a great tomato taste. Just grab it and squish it in your hands a little bit and just gives you that tomato smell. Throw that in there. We'll remove that later. We're gonna keep that, we're gonna let that cook now for, we'll lower it down. We're gonna simmer it for about 20 minutes. And then I'm going to show you what's done. Meanwhile, while that's cooking, I'm just going to tell you a little bit about my little town in Italy. I come from a town called Torrione, which comes from Avellino. So I said it's about 40 miles from Naples. That's where I'm from. And this town is so rich in so many things, like, for example, olive oil, the wine, the grapes, the fruits, the chestnut, the mushroom. It's incredible. The air is so beautiful. Let me show you a little town. Come here. I'm going to show you a little town. This is Torrione. Okay. A little bit on this side over here is where my mom comes from, over here. And all together, okay, so my wife comes on this side from over here. And all together, I say about 400 people in that little town. Such a nice little town. It's so welcoming. When I go there, it just brings me back when I was a little kid. I used to run through all over the place over there. And it reminds me of all these herbs that was in there, like the rosemary. Rosemary grows all over the place in that little town. And where you go, everybody's got so much rosemary, thyme, and oregano everywhere. It's just, you know what? It's just a little town made for food. The bread is fantastic. So I guess you guys have to go there. You know what? Forget about going over there. Just come over to my house. I'll do it for you over here. See a little bit. Okay, it's about 10 minutes now. It's simmering, and we're almost there. Here, I'll show you. Come here. Look at that. Look beautiful that is. All right. What I'm going to do is we're going to add a little bit of salt in there. A pinch of salt. A pinch and a half of salt. All right. A little bit of black pepper. Very, very important to put a little black pepper. And of course, we're going to put a little bit of white wine in it. A little bit of white wine. All right. Now look at that. That's a beautiful one. The smell of this, all right, just brings me right back to the little town over there. I remember my grandma used to make this, my mother used to make it all the time too. And it's just that, beautiful. Well, we got about, I want to say about another 10, 12 minutes. And I'll show you how good this is. Right back. Okay, while this is cooking, look at this, come here, look at that. Look how beautiful that is. Look at Play-Doh. Wow. Oh, it smells fantastic. I don't know, this is great. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make some fresh croutons and put on the grill. Looks big. That beautiful one. And what we'll do is now, we have this, don't like that. Grab all the stuff inside the rosemary, and you just get that out. Divine, thank you very much. You did your job. Thank you. Bye bye. And you know what? I'm gonna leave the garlic in there. I love the garlic. Got the mushroom, got the beautiful peppers in there, and that looks done. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna shut this off, and we're gonna plate this. All right. Look at this. Let me show you how nice. Wow. Just look at that. Oh, man. That is fantastic. That looks so beautiful. Look at this. That is some chicken. That came out so nice. Oh, look at that. Put some peppers on them. I'm going to throw some mushrooms on that. Okay. Look at this. Some mushrooms. Okay, great. I'll cut some parsley. Put that on it. A little bit of garnish. A little bit of garnish. Okay, on top. Okay. And I'm gonna get this crouton, put it right on the side. Like this, like this. Put it on top. Okay. And I'm gonna try this now. See how this came out. So that looks delicious. Here, let me show you. Let me show you how soft this is. Okay, look at that. Okay, I'm just gonna go right through with the fork. Look at that. Huh? How beautiful or what? Wow. It's so hot. It's my so good. Right? It's so hot. This came out so good. You know what? You gotta try this at home. And yeah, that's it. This is pollo di Campania, chicken di Campania, and give it a try. I tell you, you're gonna love this. I'm Andy from Pasta E FAZOOOOOOL. Thanks for being with me. Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe, all right? And I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Hey YouTubers, thanks for watching my video. If you guys enjoyed my video, just say Pasta E FAZOOOOOOL! And of course, subscribe. And I'll see you next time on my next video. Ciao.